Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
Hello kids, let's color the sun. Shine bright and color the sun. Make it radiant and happy.
You're amazing. I'm so proud of you. Great job. You're doing your best, and that's super. I believe in you. Keep trying, you're almost there. Your creativity is awesome.